Hey guys, today I'm doing a review on my new Zippo. Just got it in the mail like half an hour ago. Bought it off eBay for like 20 some bucks. No, not even, it was like 18 bucks. So eBay is a really good place to buy them. So just a Zippo box, Remington. Can't really see that. Zippo, all that stuff. And it says Remington again. There, Zippo. So here's the lighter. Remington Deer. It's pretty cool. I like the graphic. It's blank on the back side. Here it is. Haven't filled it up yet. Just bought fluid. Sorry if you can hear that. That's my washer. It's pretty loud. So sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Alright. Here's the insert. Says stuff about it, with warnings and stuff. Little fill up thing. Says lift to fill. Here's the casing. On the bottom says Zippo, Bradford, PA, made in USA. Oops, sorry. So, yeah. I don't think I'm gonna carry this, just because it's pretty nice. I actually just bought, like, on eBay, I just got another one. It's just plain. It's called Street Chrome. That's the one I'm gonna be carrying. So, yeah. Oh, and a lifetime guarantee. That's all the instructions and stuff. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.